ngaphambilini sithola ukuthi ke they were both tested in the wilderness after they passed through water babe sebelingwa ehlana abantwana bakaIsrayeli ekulingweni kwabo khona la abahluleka khona because abanye babo bakhumbula emuva bekhumbula ukuzikhandela amathole bekhumbula besikhandela onkulunkulu bekhumbula ukudla ababekudla all of them they were tested so no Jesu kanjalo after edlule ekubhabhatisweni uJohn lithi iBhayibheli umoya wamholela ehlane ukuba eyolingwa so uma esesehlane ke uyalingwa uJesu and uJesu conquered the devil because laba bangapha behluleka laba lo uJesu mayesefikile njengendodana yeqiniso uma esefikile as the true Israel yena uyanqoba kuvela ke ukuthi uMoses was tested in the wilderness for 40 years and Jesus was tested for 40 days. You see, this corresponds to each other. When you read the book of Matthew with this perspective, maybe you will read with an understanding. We are taking the book of Matthew in order to read it with an understanding because kunezinto ezitholakala khona ezithi masifane